welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to use report count from Salesforce in a chart in Titan Web. So the way it works is I want you to focus on these four here where we've enabled row counts, subtotal and grand total for this report which is called properties by broker. And there are a few things you need to be really aware of is first of all obviously on the left hand side we've got a bunch of brokers, then we've got the sum of price, then we've got record counts, and then everything's summarized in the total and the record count there. So all of that's pretty good, and I'd like to bring all of this data into Titan Web, but use the count and the sum of price available in my report as opposed to in Titan Web. So what does that mean exactly? It goes something like this. So let's say I grab a chart, a bar chart, and I say choose by report. This is important, and then I'm going to choose properties by broker. I'm not going to add any condition, it's all good. Now I want you to pay attention here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say y-axis is my broker name, and then we'll do record count. Okay. Now if I enable this record count here, which is Titan Web's functionality, it kind of is a flawed logic because in Salesforce it's already been defined, so why would you bother with Titan? I'm going to show you what exactly happens. So now you can see this is kind of flawed because it just says 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is not really true because if you go back to the report, you got 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, and only 1, 1. So how do you sort of work with that? Click on the gear icon, edit mapping. The only thing you need to do is go ignore. So this ignores Titans and picks up the Salesforce. Now let's have a look at the end result. If I preview this now, and voila, there you go, 4 records, 2 records, 2 records, 3 records, 2, 2, 2, and the last one is 1. So really it's that simple at the end of the day that you can ignore the Titans count if you first of all you need to have it enabled in Salesforce, that you got subtotal, record count, all of this. If you don't have it enabled, yes, you can use ours, but when you have it enabled, just go ahead and use what Salesforce gives you. It's really that simple. So the only thing you need to do, and this is so important, is you need to set this to ignore, assuming you've enabled the things I've highlighted before, which are these. If these are enabled, you can just set that to ignore, and you're pretty much good to go. And yeah, this is how it's done. You can do that with bar chart, pie chart, really up to you. Get as creative as you want to.